Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. And yeah, for today's video, I have my first paycheck of April. I know that I haven't been on here with a cash stuffing in a few weeks, and I apologize for that. But honestly, your girl just fell off her budget for a little bit, and that's perfectly fine. Everybody has those weeks where they're just not with it, but we're back better than ever. I'm so excited to film this for you guys. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. I upload these videos usually every 2 weeks. I get paid bi-weekly. I'm 26 years old. I work in the medical field full-time. I'm trying to pay off my car and save as much money as I can currently. But yeah, so for this video, I'm going to do my paycheck breakdown as well as stuffing my cash envelopes as well as my sinking funds. And I think that's all I have to say. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so before we get into the stuffing, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing for this paycheck. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Okay, so for this paycheck, I don't have a lot of bills. So I just have Epidemic Sound, which is $15. I have Spotify, which is about $10. And then my Peloton app, which is $12.99. So I rounded all of this up to $40. I'm sorry I'm out of breath. I had to go run get my cash envelopes and now I'm out of breath. So that's for my fixed expenses, my bills. On to variable expenses here. I have groceries, personal, and gas. Groceries, I'm giving it $2.50. I just wanted to give it a little bit more just because I wanted to get some more snacks and some more food this week, so I upped that to $2.50. Personal is getting $50, gas is getting $40, for a total of $3.40. Moving on to my sinking funds here, I'm going to be stuffing these this week. I'm going to be stuffing vet for my dog, groomer, medical, car maintenance, school, emergency, cushion, beauty, my savings, Christmas, Roger, as well as my car. So on this side, I have my cash envelope breakdown. I will have everything that I'm mentioning listed down below for you guys in the description box if you're interested. So this week we will be stuffing $1,135. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So let's get into it. I did go ahead and go to the bank. Let me zoom you guys out actually. I went ahead and went to the bank just so that we could get into it. So how are you guys doing? How is your budgeting going? I would love to know. I don't think something's right here. I think I'm missing $200. Oh, okay. Whew. She had me worried there for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I got worried there for a second. I thought the teller didn't give me the right amount of money, but crisis averted. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first, I got some new cash envelopes here. I don't know if I've mentioned to you guys, but I did lose my wallet, which was really, really sad. So I did go ahead and pick up another one. It's actually downstairs right now, and I don't feel like going to get it, but you guys will see it next week. Next time, I promise, in 2 weeks. I picked these up. Let me see the Etsy shop. Let me tell you guys. Let me see. The Etsy shop is Simply Kaylee Co. I will have her channel listed down below as well, so you guys can check it out. So I just have groceries, gas, spending, my rollover, as well as I want to try and do the $1 savings. So any $1 bills that I get during my pay period, I want to stuff in that envelope. I did go ahead and get smaller ones because the wallet that I do have is smaller. So that's the tea on that. Let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? So for groceries, like I said, we're going to do 150. So that's a 250, I'm sorry. So it's going to be a 100, a 50, 250s, sorry, 220s, and then a 10 for a total of 150, 220, 40, 50. And I love these because they're like so tiny and cute, and you can just stuff them so easily. So that's groceries stuff. Next is personal, which is going to get 50, which is 220s and a 10. So we're going to go ahead and do that. 20, 40, 50 and stuff that. These are like brand new, so like they haven't, I can't open them that well, so we're just gonna put that in there. Gas is gonna get 40, which is 220s. And just like that. And then that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and put these into my wallet, and that's that. So moving on to my sinking funds. These binders I picked up from Michael's. I'm sure you can find them online. I know Amazon sells similar ones if that's what you'd like to do. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I've already updated my trackers, so everything is good. Vet is going to get $20, and it currently has 70, so now it's going to have 90. So vet now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. My dog's vet appointment is not until August, and it's usually around like $300 or so, so we're right on track for that. Next is the groomer, and groomer's going to get 40. My dog definitely needs his summer cut, so it currently has 40. Now it's going to have 80. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Love it. Groomers. Next is medical. Medical is going to get $10. In medical, we currently have 60, so it's going to now have 70. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Cool beans. And it's I am saving this just for like an emergency copay, because where I work, my copay is actually waived. So if I ever have to see the doctor or anything, I don't have to pay a copay or anything like that at my job. Next is car maintenance, and car maintenance is going to get $30. It currently has 115, so it's going to get now have 145. So a 10 and a 20. So now car maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 45. 145 in car maintenance. I actually just got a car wash, and it was so needed, you guys, but I feel like it always rains like as soon as I get a car wash, and I literally check the weather before, which is so annoying. School is a new envelope. I'm actually just going to be using my old 52 weeks envelope for now until I get my new envelope. So school is going to get 25. So a 20 and a 5, just for right now. I'm going to put that over there. Emergency fund is going to get $10. Emergency currently has 186, so now it's going to have 196. It's just going to get a $10. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96. So almost to $200. That's amazing, truly. Next up is cushion. Cushion is going to get $10. I'm actually going to do a 5 and then the 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In cushion, we currently have 0, so we're going to add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beauty is going to get $100. I need to get a fill. So Beauty is going to get 150, 2 20s, and 110. So that is 50, 70, 90, 100. Taxes is not getting anything, and Amazon is not getting anything. So we're going to put these back over to the side and move on to our every week envelopes. I'll take these out. Alrighty, so starting off with savings is going to get its usual 300, and it currently has 506, so now we're going to have 806. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 2, 4, 5, 6. 806. And I do have 1,000 already in the bank. Or I think 2,000 actually. I'm not even sure, but once this hits 1,000, this is going into the bank as well. Christmas is going to get 50. Christmas currently has 120, and then with this 50, it'll be 170. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150. 170. Christmas is gonna come up quick, y'all. It's gonna come up quick with the quickness. Roger is going to get his $5. So he currently has 50, so we're gonna add a 5 to make it 55. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yeah. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. He actually needs a new leash. I have to get that for him. And lastly, here is car, which is going to get 195. And it currently has 180, so we're going to end it with 375. So that's 150, 70, 95. So let's see. So here we have 100, 200, 250, 300, 20. Oh no. 40, 60, 75. 375 in car. And then I just have my rollover envelope, which has $10 in it, but I'm not adding anything to that. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Look forward to new videos every week here on my channel. I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, all types of content. I'm sure there's something that you would like. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Bye!